to get 1099 from Coinbase. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get 1099 from your Coinbase account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for coinbase.com and you will be landed to the official website of Coinbase. And after that all you have to do is just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you don't have an account in Coinbase, just simply click on sign up and create an account for yourself. And after that, once you have created the account, in order to get the 1099 tax form from your Coinbase account, you need to first see that the criteria for getting the tax form. So if you have earned less than $600 in crypto income, you won't be receiving the 1099 MISC form from the Coinbase. And if you are a US customer who traded in future, then you will be able to receive the 1099B for this activity via your email in your Coinbase taxes. And for a non-US customer, you won't receive any form from Coinbase, and you must be there in the transaction history report to fulfill their local tax obligations. And Coinbase tax also reflects your activities on coinbase.com. So you need to visit to the statement action for your account to download your pro transactions. And in order to view and download your tax document through your Coinbase taxes, you need to go to the tax report section, and after that you need to include your 1099 and see whether it is available for the tenure of your account or not. And there is a range of gain, losses and report available as well, so you can go ahead and check that as well. So this is basically how you will be able to get your 1099 tax form from Coinbase. So you need to check the criteria first and then go ahead. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.